Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoonPay account disabled error. So basically, we're going to show you in this video how we can proceed to a direct contact with the MoonPay support team to let you explain how is this disabled account is an error. Basically, let's dive in. We are going to head over MoonPay on their website. So this is going to be a solution. Also, you can go ahead and head over your app on your phone and head over their app. Now, let's start by understanding why the account are going to be disabled for many of you. Basically, if you're going to have something or a lot of transactions and these transactions are going to be, let's say, maybe daily transactions, maybe let's say here hourly transactions, or I don't know, here you're going to have the period of time which is going to be between a transaction and the other one is going to be short, and that is going to be considered a suspicious activity. Once you're going to attend this suspicious activity into your account and you're going to get a lot of transactions, basically they are going to disable and block your account. But fear nothing, you can go ahead and resolve this problem by heading over moonpay.com. We're going to click on get started, for example, and make sure that we have connected the same account that we have into our phone or the disabled one. We're going to click on the parameters, and then we are going to have here the help. Basically, we're going to have the support center. You're going to find it right away here, and you're going to type in your question. If you do not see the question, and which is going to be the most of the cases, we're going to head over here at the end of this page, and we're going to click on start a conversation. You're going to get here, let's say, the bot or the AI bot responding to your concerns until you're going to find a point that you're going to type in the message, I want to reach out. For example, I want to reach out to the customer service or the support team, for example. You're going to have here the send icon. Click on it, and the bot is going to conduct you to the basic one. So it is going to connect someone for you, as you can see, and then it is basically going to do the thing. So this is how simple it is. As you can see, you're going to find the chat also right there, and here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.